Hello student, let's try to understand one more problem student. What is the problem here? Based on the rate of reaction student, they are saying the decomposition of N2O5 in ccl4 has been studied by monitoring the concentration of N2O5 in solution. Initially, the concentration of N2O5 is how much? 2.33 mole. After 184 minutes, it reduces to 2.08. The reaction takes place according to the equation. This is the equation. Calculate the average rate of reaction in terms of hours, minutes, second. What is the rate of production of NO2 during this period of time? So firstly, let us find the rate of reaction student. So which rate of reaction? Average rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. अब student see what concentration they have given N2O5. So we have to calculate in this term. So what we will write student 1 by 2 because coefficient is going to be in denominator. So 1 by 2. What will be the other thing student? Delta N2O5. This is what the concentration divided by what student? Delta T. Now 1205 1 by 2, it is going to be R2 minus R1. Since it is the reactant, so here we will use the negative sign student, that you keep in mind. The R2 by R1. Here what will be there student? T2 by T1. T2 minus T1. So 1 by 2 R2. Final concentration how much student? 2.08 minus initial concentration 2.33 divided by time. What they have given final time, they are saying, see the time initially the concentration is this much after 184, so final 184 and initial is 0. So this is what the term. Now students, now what will you be able to do from the above calculations, dear student? Let me take the calculators and find out the values of each things, dear students, right? So here we are firstly multiplying student. This if you are multiplying with the negative sign, so it is the minus 2.08 and minus minus plus, it is 2.33 divided by what student? 2 into 184 student. Now solve this one student and find out the values. So it is coming student 2.33, then minus it is 2.08. So it is coming student 0.25 divided by what is going 2 into 184 student. So it is going to be what student? 368. Student, what you can do? 0.25 divided by 368 student. So its value is somewhat, it is coming student 0.000679 right? So you can round it out student. Okay, you put in the scientific figures 6.79 multiply by 10 power minus 4. What is the unit student? Mole. It is going to be liter inverse, and here this is the what student? Minute inverse, because here this is given in the minute. Now the same they are asking in the term of hours student. Okay, so what we will be able to do student in term of hours? So we can divide this value with the what student? Time 60. Okay, so minute to convert into hours, it is need to be divided with the 60. Okay, so in hours, if you are talking about in hours student, so what we will be able to get student? So here 6.79 into 10 power minus 4 divided by, again it is going to be 16. So it is going to be mole, liter inverse and hours inverse student. So if you are divided by the 60 student, this value, let us check student what is going to be the answer. So it is coming 1.13 into 10 power minus 5. It is what student? Mole, liter inverse, and what will be there student? This is going to be hours inverse. This is what. Okay, So this is all about the answer, student. Next they are talking about what is the rate of production of NO2, student. That is the one more question they are asking. So rate of production of NO2, what you will be able to do, student. First of all, you should write the rate of reactions. So in the term of rate, here you see rate is equal to, how can you write, student? So minus 1 by 2, it is the delta N2O5 upon delta T equal to, it is going to be plus, what is the coefficient? NO2, 1 by 4, and delta NO2 upon delta T, this is there. This value, if you talk about this value, student, you already got, student. What the value? This value you already got, right? So what we can do from the above, student, from the above equations, so delta NO2, this is upon delta T, this will be square bracket because we are talking about the molar concentration. So what we can write, student, this coefficient is going to that side, 4 into rate of reaction. So what will be coming, student? 4 into 6.79 into 10 power minus 4. So what it is going to be, student? 2.72 into 10 power minus 3. It is what, student? Mole liter inverse minute inverse. So this is our required answer, student. Thank you very much for watching, dear students.